This is court mini secretariat in Gurgaon, and this is the condition of a court in NCR region, National Capital Region of India. You can see. I'll show you the lobby. And I'll show you cigarette butts, and I'll also show you a dog. See? Dog by court. There's a condition of Swachh Bharat. Despite of having so much efforts, there's a condition. See? I should show you the files in there. Here's the files. And they are running a tea stall. There's a tea stall running. And they are smoking. It's a public space. Smoking should be banned. I'm sure you would find somebody drinking soon. Saw somebody smoking? See? And they're smoking just in front of the court. हाँ क्या चाहिए भैया? कितने साल के हो तुम? क्या चाहिए तुमको? शू पॉलिश करानी है। कितने साल के हो तुम?
2 साल का।
मुझे तो लग रहा है 7-8 साल के हो। See, underage guys, they are doing child labor in front of court. Forget about everything else. Away. See, they're all. क्या करते हो भाई? यहाँ पे क्या करते हो? पॉलिश करते हो? कितने पैसे लेते हो पॉलिश करने के? हैं? 10 रुपये लेते हो पॉलिश करने के? कितने पैसे लेते हो पॉलिश करने के? 10 रुपये। कितने साल के हो?
20 तारीख या 10 तारीख का 20 तारीख।
चलो ठीक।
कुछ खिला दो।
Child labor in front of the court. There's a condition of NCR region court in Delhi. Then think about what would be the condition of
The country.
country.